Understanding animal fat in everyday language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that's common in both culinary contexts and everyday English: animal fat. This term might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and context that can be incredibly useful, especially when you're learning English. So, let's explore what animal fat really means and how it's used in language. Animal fat refers to the fat that comes from animals, as opposed to fats that come from plants. This can include fat from meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. It's a natural substance that's been part of human diets for millennia, and it's also used in various industrial applications. In English, when we talk about animal fat, we're usually referring to the fat used in cooking or found within meat products. There are several types of animal fats that you might encounter. Here are a few. Saturated fats. These are typically solid at room temperature and are found in meats and dairy products. They're often discussed in health-related conversations. Unsaturated fats. Found in fish, these are usually liquid at room temperature and are considered healthier. Trans fats, often found in processed foods. These fats are created when liquid oil is turned into solid fat. Understanding these can help you make informed choices about your diet and understand health advice in English-speaking countries. In cooking, animal fat can refer to ingredients like lard or tallow, which are used to cook and flavor food. These fats have different qualities and flavors which can affect the taste and texture of food. In many cultures, certain animal fats are traditional and carry cultural significance. For instance, duck fat is often used in French cuisine, while ghee, a type of clarified butter, is common in Indian dishes. The phrase, animal fat, can sometimes be used figuratively or in idioms. For example, someone might say, "That's where the meat is," metaphorically meaning that's where the substance or best part of something is, akin to where the most animal fat is found on a piece of meat, indicating richness or the most valuable part. Understanding the term, animal fat, is more than just a vocabulary lesson. It's a glimpse into culinary arts, culture, and health. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this term and how it's used both literally and figuratively. If you're interested in the English language and its nuances, stay tuned for more videos like this. Happy learning, and see you next time!